Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 20 of Building the Batmobile. We're starting on the special sprung suspension on this one. After looking through the magazine, better luck next time. We've still got Catwoman in this issue, in this episode. But there we go. Then we're looking at Bloodsport from the great Batman comics. And then the Year of Batman, we're obviously looking at that one. In 57. Cool. Aquaman, or starting a flying person. New partner. Got a man to take Robin's place. I'm not sure who that is, but I'm sure you will if you're aware of the series. So yes, we're going to start the suspension area, building some bits, and then putting it onto the frame that we've already got, and then putting the top fork piece in. And that's that. Almost ready to take the first wheel, but we're probably going to end up doing that on the other side. This is the last of this month's deliveries. They come 6 at a time, and this is the 6th one of this time. So after this, there'll be a little wait until the next one. But let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. So here we have lots of different types of screws to use in this. We're going to start off by putting these bits through here with 2 of these slightly longer than normal screws. The WM, put that over the side there. So these are going onto there. There's one with a longer post which is going down the bottom. There, with that way round, goes over on that bit like that. We'll do up through there. Nope, don't mean that. One screwdriver at a time is all you really need. Get that through there. Sure, it is actually going through there, where that isn't. Try that again. Screw back out. Lined up properly this time. Up there. Screw will then go through that. As I say, this is the last of this month's issues through this pack. The next pack is ending and processing and everything else, and should contain a free gift next time as well. So that's going to be interesting. This other one goes on the top piece there, much like that. So, and through there. I'll get that tightened up and sorted out afterwards. Next up, I'm going to be putting these bits together. Another part of the suspension, 2 of these CM screws. There's still a few in there, so I'm sure I'm still going to be using those in the future. That is putting this little bracket to the back of that. Bit like that. The other side. That lined up. Go. Some sort of a ball joint or whatever's going to fit into there. That lined up, and then the last bit that I've got prepped is this. I need 2 of these screws to hold this in place on there, and it's that way round with that way round. They go in the ends of that bit we just attached. On there like that. One in there, and that one on the other side. Oh, missed. Right, let me get all of these attached. Get all of these screws that I've been putting in tightened up, and then see what the next part is. Right, that's those all tightened up and assembled. Next up, we are going to be fitting the actual spring itself. We're doing it on this side, so we need to make sure the wires are all out of the way. We've got a spring to go in there. Should just about in. Get that under there first. Then in there. Post goes in underneath through the spring and up into the middle piece. Place of twiddling and getting it lined up properly though. There you go. That's going through there. We've got 2 screws to hold that in place in there. And that bit's a minute. So yeah, two of the 8M screws to go through and hold that in place. Let me get those done. We got that one and that one there. That's going to be for the brackets there, right? So yeah, this is always fun with a new way of doing things. It's always a little bit different. Each car seems to have its own unique way of having it fitted. Even on there. Right way round as well. Which way are these screws and screw holes? That's better. That's going into a thing there. That one there. That one on the other side there. I think. Oh, missed the screw again. What's the screw keep trying to escape from the end? Just as it gets to where it needs to be. Right, there we go. That's that. Now, while I've got this way round, as well as making sure these are tight, what I'll do is make sure that the bracket here that the wheel is going to fit onto held in place with one of these screws. Get it the right way round. That bit's going to be that way, that bit's going to be that way. Top and bottom, inside and out. It's got to go on like that. The bottom piece of that goes through there. That is held in place there. Then we can deal with the top piece. Now the top piece is held in place. This first is on there with those 2 screws. Get that lined up properly. Come on. Just there. There you go. So those 2 hold that together. And there. No, not there. Come on, you know where you are. You were there a minute ago. Now you've come too far forward. Now you're too far backwards. Come on, just there. No, not there. Don't want to scratch the paint on any of this. Because obviously the black is how it's meant to look. Let's try that again. Let's line up there. Let's hold it there while I get this screw in. Don't get the screw in. Come on. That's it. There we go. That's that one in. Get the same in the other side. Right, and then we've got the other screw to go in the top. There. Now this is going to be using the spring to get everything lined up. So yeah, let me get everything tightened up and adjusted and show you what it looks like when I've got that screw in there when it's all sprung together. Right, that's it. Connected up. I needed to take the pin out of there to get this higher, to get the pin back through, so it came through the top piece as well. But that's now connected up. I'm happy with how that's gone in. It doesn't really move, but obviously there's not much strain being put on it, but I'm sure there will. It will give a little bit when it's all motored up and heavy. So that is that. One side done. Not sure what this bit's for, because this is obviously not. Where is that? That can't be the front. That's the back, so it's not going to steer. I don't know why that moves, but that's how it is. That's how it should be according to the pictures I can tell. So that's that. That's the end of this month's pack. So thank you very much for joining me. Join me for more of this in a while, in about a month probably, but join me for other things in between time. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.